Hi guys, welcome to Georgia Vlogger, and today I'm going to be doing a slime review, and I'm just going to quickly show you them. It kind of looks like a paint palette when you see it. Actually, hang on, let me do this, then it'll look more like a paint palette. Trying to be precise. And yeah, there we go. A bit more like a paint palette, maybe not, sort of. Close enough. So, and I'm going to review from my worst slime to my best slime. So, my worst slime is this blue one. It's sort of like a transparent blue, in a way. It's very glossy, for sure. And yeah, it's my least favourite for this reason, that it just rips. You can't exactly do anything to help it stop ripping. I'll probably try and add some lotion and maybe show it in my next video if it changed or not. So my second favourite is this one here. It's a bit rippy, just a bit. It rips quite often, but not as often as this one. So you can at least stretch this one, but it does rip. And it's like a purple. On camera they look really alike, but in real life it's very obvious which is purple and which is blue. So my third favourite is this very bright pink. It's really cool. Again, snaps and breaks a lot. And yeah, it's a nice vibrant pink. Oh, hang on. This is my third favourite. I messed up because this is very nice and glittery. Then this is my second favourite. I just read it. And then this is my first favourite. It's a gold yellow sort of colour. It's really nice. It stretches well, but it won't stretch well because I'm videoing it. It swirls nice, if I can swirl it right. Pokes nice, and it does some nice
Sorry, Georgia.
popping. It's okay. Yeah, so it's really nice. And I've displayed them on this lovely pink plate. And yeah, my friend Millie's in the background, but displayed on here, it's white on the bottom. Probably didn't need to know that. But my friend Millie, who is
watching
there,
YouTube and playing with slime.
She did a slime video on her channel.
Go check out my channel, please.
Her channel name is Millie Moo.
And go check out our channel together. It's Morja. I need to check what our actual channel is called.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I just need to check.
And
This is a bit
please go and like and subscribe and comment for video requests from Millie.
Thank you.
As she needs it, because she just keeps constantly making. She's like, ooh, slime.
Oh, it is called
Slime.
Morja the Great.
It's called Morja the Great. So that's mine and Millie's channel.
You might have to link it down below.
Yeah, I probably will.
I will. Right,
And yeah. So in the comments down below, I want you to tell me which is your favourite. So we've got blue, purple, glitter, pink, and gold. And you just comment which was your favourite. And if you're in the first 5 people that commented, then you will get a shout out in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!